Have you been searching for the perfect crossover SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury in stellar black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 60,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6843.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.